In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Flexbox for layout in Webflow. Flexbox is an incredibly powerful CSS layout mode that gives you an easy way to arrange elements in your design. It's a favorite among web designers because it simplifies the process of creating responsive layouts. So let's dive in. To get started, open up your favorite browser and go to Webflow's website. If you aren't familiar, Webflow is a visual web design platform that allows you to create custom websites without needing to write code. Once you're there, look in the top right corner for the Login button. Click on that, and if you haven't already, log in using your credentials. After you've logged in, you'll be taken to your Webflow dashboard. Here, you can see all your existing projects. Find the project where you want to use Flexbox and click on it to open it up. This will take you to the Webflow Designer, a powerful tool where all the server-side magic happens. Once you're in the Designer, the next step is to select the element that you want to apply Flexbox styling to. You can do this simply by clicking on it in the visual editor or by selecting it from the Navigator panel on the left side. Once your element is selected, shift your focus to the right side of the screen, and you'll see a panel labeled Style. Go ahead and click on Style. This panel hosts a range of styling options that Webflow offers. Within the Style panel, look for the tab labeled Layout. Click on it to reveal further options related to how your selected element is displayed. You'll find that Layout is strategically designed to help you manage the positioning, size, and behavior of elements within a container. Under Layout, there's an option called Display. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu. In that drop-down, look for the Flex option and click it. Flexbox will now be applied to your selected element. Once Flexbox is applied, you'll see new configuration settings where you can adjust properties like direction, justify, and align. These settings will allow you to control how the child elements behave within their parent container. Moreover, you can move on to the spacing section. Here you can specify the exact spacing between items, which gives you even more fine-tuned control over the spacing and alignment in your layout. Apply these settings based on your design needs. Now, your layout should be flexible, responsive, and much easier to manage across different screen sizes. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you experiment with Flexbox in Webflow, the more intuitive it will become. That's all for today's tutorial. Keep experimenting with Flexbox in Webflow, and you'll find yourself creating complex layouts with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.